the difference between a straight shaft and a slightly crooked shaft. So here we have an MA chassis, and I installed the wheels on the front and the rear, and the front has the completely straight shaft. And I used a shaft checker to check it, so it's pretty much straight. So this is what it sounds like. It's a nice quiet spin. And then here is what the opposite side sounds like. This is the not so straight shaft. It's slightly crooked. So it's got a more vibrational sound to it. It's not like a silent movement. So basically what's happening is the shaft is kind of knocking against the palm bearings, the plastic palm bearings. So again, difference here, straight shaft, nice and quiet, and spins longer too. And the crooked or slightly bent shaft. Now, this is still usable, even though it's not completely straight. It's like so close to being straight, it's just got a slight bend on one end, and that could be fixed using my methods that I mentioned in another video. But basically here, this is going to still be a very fast car with the appropriate motor, but it could even be faster if it's got two completely straight shafts.